open Google and type linkedin.com and press enter. And click on this work tab and slowly scroll down and click on this create a company page button. Select the company size according to your business. Now I'm going to select the medium to large business. And here it's asking to enter your all the business information. Now I'm going to fill all this according to my business. It is just a dummy content, so please fill this information according to your business. And click on this I verify that button and click on create page button. Now your page is ready, but it's incomplete page, so please add your description by click on this button. Click on save and it's asking to share the post. And next, please add your location. It's your business location. My business doesn't have any state location, so I'm just entering dummy content. Close this. And also asking to share post, but I don't want to share now. And now lastly, add hashtag for your business. It's the official hashtag, so it's already suggesting. And then click on save and close it now. And again it's asking to share the post, but click on no thanks. And your steps are completed. Close this. And now final step is to add the cover image. This is also already made it cover image, and position your cover image exactly fitted and click on save. Wow, fantastic! Your LinkedIn page is ready now, so you can see as a viewer how it looks and behaving. That's it.